Auntie, tell me what was the problem you had?
I had for 15 years now. I was having heart.
Okay.
Then I had blood clot, gas trouble, and all this I was having very bad time.
Okay. And you were taking medicines for the
Yes,
treatment.
I was taking all that medicine, Ecosprin,
Okay.
Cardona, and all these that I was taking.
Okay.
Too much medicines.
So how do you feel after this treatment, auntie?
No, after taking this, I am feeling very nice.
Okay. And you stopped all your medicines.
Yeah, I stopped all my medicine. Now at least 1 month back.
Okay, it's been 1 month now.
Yeah.
Okay. What changes do you feel like?
I'm feeling okay. But when sometime I'm not feeling well, I call him and I tell him, then it's the problem is okay.
Okay.
I feel okay since I am in this condition, I am okay.
Oh, that's good. So you suggest others
Pardon?
as well. You suggest others as well.
Yeah, I am okay, sir.
No, you tell even people should go to this
Yeah.
treatment.
Yeah, 100% I can tell that the people can do this. Because I felt it very nice, so people can do it.
Right.
But they have to realize that and keep hope on that.
Yeah. Okay, auntie. Thank you, auntie. Thank you very much.